Your Tracfone account likely locked due to too many failed login attempts, suspicious activity, or outdated account information. Don't worry, unlocking it is straightforward. Common reasons for lockout include too many failed login attempts, suspicious activity, or outdated account information. To unlock your account, first go to tracfone.com or open the app. Click Forgot Password and enter your Tracfone phone number or linked email address. You'll receive a reset link or code via SMS or email. Create a new, strong password with at least 8 characters, including numbers and symbols. If you're still locked out, it might be a temporary 24-hour lockout, so wait and try again. According to Tracfone's 2025 guidelines, using the app is generally faster than the website or phone support. To fully secure and unlock your Tracfone account, verifying your email and knowing your support PIN are crucial. In your account settings on the Tracfone website or app, select Verify Email and enter the code sent to your registered email. If your email is outdated, change it to a current one. Next, ensure you have access to your support PIN. If forgotten, you can reset it through your account settings by verifying via email or SMS, then setting a new 4-digit PIN. This PIN is now mandatory for significant account changes like porting your number. By verifying your email and knowing your support PIN, you'll ensure smooth account access and prevent future lockouts. Plus, you will be able to contact the help desk with proof of ownership.